Britain will recover, says the Prime Minister, as the country attempts to rebuild following Leicester City's Premier League victory. Skeptics predict when these celebrations finally end, 80% of the country will be unemployed or dead. We're joined now by specialist reporter Sean Burke, who's at the epicentre of the disaster, the Leicester City Centre.
What? We're live? It's the fairy tale that turned to shit. No one could have predicted the toll Leicester's title success would take on the nation.
Oi, there better be fucking vodka in that.
In early May, Leicester lift the league trophy. Days later, Claudio Ranieri was knighted, while Riyad Mahrez broke the record for most Miss Worlds shagged in a single week. N'Golo became the country's most popular baby name. Whilst off their nut, the Foreign Office accidentally invaded Jamaica in a botched attempt to get Wes Morgan to qualify for the English national team.
The government has been forced to act swiftly and has pleaded with the English national team to perform as poorly as possible in this summer's tournament for fear that success may reignite the party atmosphere. One thing is for certain, Leicester City winning the league is one of the best things to ever happen to this country. This is Sean Burke, chatting shit, getting banged. Cheers.
Now over to the Cannes Film Festival, where we're joined by award-winning director Karim Benzema.